Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build a super cool project today, and that project is email spam detector. Okay, so with the help of this project, we will uh, we will make a model which will predict that email is spam or not. Okay, so how I did this project? So I will explain you each code line by line, and then you will know everything clearly. Okay, and you will be able to type in any email message and the model will tell you whether it's spam or not. So stick with me till the end because I will show you how to train the model, save it, and even use it like a mini AI assistant. And if you are new here, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification because we are building awesome project every week. So this is our data set. Here this is email written, okay, and this email is spam or not, it's also written here, and we will use this data set to train our model. So let's start and let's jump on the code. So this is my file, okay, where the codes are written. So first let's import the Python libraries. We will need this R like the tool in our AI tools, okay. And as we know that pickle for shaping files, pandas for handling data, string for cleanup text, and C1 matplotlib for visualization. But I'm not using matplotlib because I'm not doing any visualization here. So next, the next line is here. Next, we load our data sets. Dataset. This is a collection of our email that mark as a spam or not spam. Think of it like our AI training book. Okay. So here we load the data set and we use the dot head function to check to show the data. It will print the data. Okay. If you will write 10 here, then it will print 10 line of data. Okay. 10 rows of data. And for to check the information of dataset, you can use dot info. To clean the dataset, you can use is null dot sum. Okay, to check missing values. If there is any duplicate, then you can remove it using dot drop duplicate, but it's all not there. Okay, the main thing is text preprocessing function. Okay, so now we define a function to clean our email text. First we remove punctuation mark like commas, exclamation mark, point. Okay, then we remove stop words, common words like the, is, and. Okay, that don't really help the model. This make the email text clean, ready for AI training, just like a prepping ingredient before cooking. Okay, so what this function will do, this function will remove commas, exclamation. Okay, and this function will remove common words like the, is, because it will not help us while training the model. Okay, after doing this, we text, and we know that text can't feed directly into machine because machine don't know text. Okay, so we need to convert it into number. That's why we are using count vectorizer. Does just that, it turn every email into matrix of word count. Think of it like converting language into math. So after doing this, we are making pickle file. Okay, and we are saving that pickle file so we can reuse it later when predicting new email. This way we don't have to train again and again. So in which location I want this, so that's why I define a location where this pickle file will go and it will save into write void mode. Okay, and the next step is, you can see that the target variable is spam here. So we train our model. Okay, x train, x test, y train, y test. So here we did test train split. Now we split our data into training and testing. At 80% of training for the model, 20% kept aside to test how will it learn. It like a final exam for AI student guys. And after training the model, we will use algorithm. Okay, after training and test split, see here we split the data, but now we are going to use model. So we use a naive Bayes classifier. Okay, we are going to use naive Bayes classifier. It's simple, fast, and work really well for spam filtering. The model learn pattern from the training data. Okay, and again we save a training model using pickle. We will use it later to make real-time prediction. Okay, so again I define a location where I want this pickle file, and again I make a pickle file. So I will use this for real-time prediction. Okay, and to check the accuracy, I check accuracy, and that accuracy is 99% here. And how I evaluate this, so we test how smart our model is. The classification report is here, okay, which show precision, recall, F1 score, and the confusion matrix. Here I have imported that confusion matrix also. So it will show how many spam and don't spam were correctly or incorrectly predicted, okay. So this is about how I train the model. So after making pickle file, we will use this pickle file to make a real-time prediction, okay. So I'm not using here Streamlit, I will use that same Python. And if you want the same thing in Streamlit, you can let me know. I will do using Flask or Streamlit, and I will create an interface. So I am using here one more file here. Here also I imported pickle file, pickle and string and analytica.corpus. And here again I define that same text preprocessing function which I use in training, okay. So what it will do, it will again, it will remove commas, okay, it will remove exclamation mark, and it will remove that common words also. And after that we loaded the model which we saved here, which we already saved here, okay. And we want this to use model, we just loaded it back, that pickle dot load, okay. And for that super convenient, okay. And from where we are getting this, we already created this pickle file while training the model, okay. After training the model we use here. So and again we don't have to train the model, and this will take user input and it will transform again into the text into the number form, which will give that user input, okay. And the model will predict it is a spam or not. So let's check it, and I will run this code and see, here it came. And now what I have to do, I have to write something code here, okay. And now here what it will do, it will take user email input and it will clean it, and it will use for our model to predict is it spam or not. And we use this message also, if it will be spam it will show this is spam, if it will be not spam, then it will print this is not spam. So we will write some demo email like first we will write some spam email like hi yeah, hi, today new year sale offer is going on in the su- supermarket. You will get 50% discount in each product. So now see, this is spam, okay. So it is showing that it is spam because we train our model, okay, because lots of this type of things are coming in our mail. And using this type of model our email is filtering. That's why if you will open email, then you can see promotion also, one section will be promotion, okay. It will filter your, you will get a lots of email, but that email will filter your email, okay. And it will save if that email will be important, it will be in the inbox. If it will be not important, it will go in promotion section or spam section, okay. So now we will write a good email right now like hi uh, hi Rakesh, you are shortlisted for next round interview. Now this is not spam, okay, this is not a spam email. So see how our model is working. So you can use it for a college project, okay. You can make this project, this type of project, okay, to improve your resume, to boost your resume, okay, and to boost your skill, okay. And that's it guys, you have just built a very your own AI powered spam detector. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the button. And for more awesome tutorial like this one, comment below what project you want next, maybe a chatbot or fake news detector. Thanks for watching guys. Still, if you want more project like loan approval prediction, diabetic prediction, it's already present in channel. You can go and you can watch that video also. And again, thanks for watching. As always, keep learning, keep building. See you in the next video.